Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we have the English version of a story. This is Daniel Warden. He was a skydiving instructor. He's over in Egypt as part of the jump with the pharaohs. Was put out of the helicopter too low, had to make an emergency landing at the air base in the Sinai. Here's the English version from Egyptian television. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
Tell me more about your experience. You were the first one who started his jump in Africa and finished it in Asia.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie, it was not on purpose, but it was an amazing experience. I would not change a thing. So, had the choice between landing in the Suez Canal, getting in trouble, landing on a boat, getting in trouble, or landing in Asia and getting in trouble. So I thought, well, I'll take the safest choice, and I'll land right at the military base, make it easy. Make nobody have to look for me. Everybody treated me very professionally and very nice. And it was the experience of a lifetime. So amazed.
Seriously.
Also, I hear it's the first person to jump in Sinai.
Yeah, you are. Thank you.
All right.
So there you go. We hope you found that useful and informative. Thanks for watching.